Simplify each of the following decimal number operations, giving your answer in binary equivalent. So first of all, you have to carry out the decimal operation, and then you convert the answer in binary equivalent. So decimal numbers, these are the normal numbers that we know, 0 to 9. So when performing addition of numbers, we will do the normal addition, whereby we have 4 plus 9, 13, carry 1. This is 16. So we get 16 base 10. Now we change this to binary. So from decimal to binary, we do what we call repeated division by 2. Repeated division by 2. So what we are going to do is we take 163. So this is how you do it. You make columns whereby we have 63, and you have to have the remainder in one of the columns. So we are going to divide repeatedly by 2. 163 divided by 2, we get 81. And when you take 2 times 81, you'll get 162, and the remainder is 1. You write the remainder at that on the far right. By 2 again, we get 40. The remainder is also 1. By 2, we get 20. Here remainder is 0 because 2 times 20 is 40. By 2 again, by 2 here, we get 10. The remainder is also 0. By 2, we get 5. Remainder is also 0. Then we have by 2. It goes 2 times to 5. Then we remain with 1. 2 in 2, it goes 1 time. Then it remains 0. Then we have by 2 in 1. It goes 0 times, and we remain with this one. So until we divide until we get a 0 at the end. So after you do that, very important, the equivalent binary number is written from the bottom upwards. So the equivalent binary number here for 163 will be 10 10 0 0 1 1. So this is 163 in equivalent binary number. Then let's go to Roman 2. Roman 2, we are adding 1 over 8 plus 1 over 2. So when you add this, you get 5 over 8. When you change this to decimal, you'll get 0.625 base 10. Now we are changing this 0.625 to binary. So let's look at a simpler way to do this. So we want to avoid the decimal separator. To avoid the decimal separator, what we do, we multiply the decimal number by base raised to the power of decimals in the result. That is, we take the number and we multiply by 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to, we are using 2 because we are changing to binary. So we multiply by 2 times the number of decimal places. So when you do that, this one will give us a constant 5. will give us 5. So what we do, we now divide the 5 using the repeated division method by 2. So 5, we divide it by 2 repeatedly. 2 will go 2 times, remain 1. This is the remainder. Then 2 will go 1 times, remainder 0. And 2 will go 0 times, remainder 1. So in this case now, the answer will be then 0.0, that is 101 base 2. And in this case now, this is the equivalent of this.